Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can add a moving average in MetaTrader 5. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5, then go to Insert. Okay, click on it, click on Indicators, then go to Trends and click on Moving Average, this one. Now, as you can see, we have here the period. We have 200. You can choose any period you want, 50, 20, any period. So for me, I will keep it on 200 moving average. And we have here the method. We have here simple, exponential, smooth, and linear. You can choose whatever you want. You can change the color from here if you want. We have here the type of the line. And we have here the width of the line. So let's choose, for example, this one. And click on OK. And as you can see here, this is our moving average. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.